Deep inside this massive chamber, a colossal machine is hidden. What kind of machine costs billions of dollars to build? The core sections of the rocket arrive. Massive cranes guide them through the facility. Precision is demanded at every step.
Frame alignment on Sector 4 looks optimal on my display.
Copy that. Moving to scan the upper liquid oxygen flange. Alignment is holding at 001.
This is the culmination of years of engineering. A billion-dollar gateway to the stars. Standing taller than any statue, it will soon push beyond the boundaries.
Easy does it, Mike. Bring it down another 2 inches.
Inside the chamber, extreme pressures meet absolute precision. Intricate channels channel liquid propellant to keep the metal from melting. Every micron is engineered to withstand the
Check the thermal readings on the upper jacket.
We are well within the heat bleed specs for flight. Good, let's proceed to the main injector.
Fuel systems are secure and pressing for terminal count.
The scan on the dome is complete. Copy that, checking the alignment now. Every joint and valve must withstand extreme pressure. This is the heart of the rocket's propulsion system, where precision engineering meets the frontier of space. Align the primary telemetry unit with the master guide rails.
Copy that. Sliding the module into position now.
Excellent. We have a green light on the data bus. Flight, propulsion systems show green across the board, initiating the final sequence for the orbiter.
Copy that. Proceed with the automated checkout.
Commencing final mating sequence of the upper stage. The 200-foot-tall launch vehicle is now structurally complete.
Transporter velocity is nominal.
Copy that. Secondary airlocks are engaged.
Proceed with the final insertion.
Approaching primary latch point. Alignment is nominal.
Payload secured. Lock sequence complete.
Direct mapping of the interface is complete.
Mechanical connections are secured. Systems are go for payload integration.
Flight, Nagoya, checking telemetry on Network 2.
Copy that, Nagoya. We see you green on primary systems. All operators with Step 40.
Copy that, Flight. Step 40 is green.
Initiating mechanical sweep on engine cluster.
Systems are nominal, proceeding to telemetry check. FDR, show status on the main screen.
All systems are green for launch. All systems are go for launch.
T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5.
Go for main engine start. Ignition sequence begins. We have liftoff. 32 minutes past the hour. All engines are functioning normally. The satellite reaches its designated orbital slot. Power systems are brought online as the solar arrays begin to deploy. This marks the beginning of a 10-year mission to monitor our changing planet. All mechanical release clamps have successfully disengaged. The satellite is now drifting on a stable trajectory. A new eye in the sky is born.
$1 billion of engineering, floating in the silent void. Mission complete, the spacecraft rests in the glow of its home. A testament to human
Booster landing burn is normal. Touchdown confirmed. We have a nominal landing.
The spacecraft begins its final approach. Precision thrusters guide the ship into the docking port.
For decades, we dreamed of returning to the moon. Today, it serves as the gateway to our future. Autonomous systems now harvest vital lunar resources.
The assembly of the transfer vehicle marks a new era. Its massive arrays will provide power for the 3-year journey. This is the largest structure ever built in space. Proxima Station, telemetry is green.
Copy that. Lunar base is operational.
Transitioning to deep space transit.
Countless hours of engineering lead to this single, breathtaking moment, a testament to our journey beyond the stars. Thousands of satellites now circle our planet. They form a vast, glowing web of connection. This is the infrastructure powering our modern world. This is Artemis Base, humanity's first permanent foothold on the lunar surface. Here, the next generation of explorers prepares for the deep space frontier.
All engines are burning green, trajectory is nominal.
Copy that, Eris. You are cleared for departure.
This is the vessel of human ambition. Its destination is the Red Planet. We stand on the brink of a new direct era, where boundaries fade and our ambitions align, mapping the bridges to our future among the stars.